ComponentOne ASP.NET MVC Edition is a collection of modern UI controls built upon latest cutting-edge technologies like HTML5, CSS, ECMA5, without making compromises to support legacy browsers. Once you have downloaded and installed the controls, you can start working with the controls. The easiest way to get started is to use the ComponentOne Visual Studio project templates that automatically configure the controls. The project templates are installed with the MVC edition. There's a template for MVC5, .NET Core, and .NET Framework, so choose the one that best fits your needs. If you're just starting out and not sure, choose .NET Core. On the application wizard, you can select Ajax or model binding as a starting point. Select the latest .NET Core version and choose a theme. For your first application, you can skip the other options. Here we chose the model binding template. This configures our project to reference the basic control library and a model-bound flex grid on the index page. We can modify the flex grid by setting properties. For example, enable frozen rows and format the columns. When you build a project for the first time, a trial license is created. Next, we can add additional controls to the page or replace the data set. For more details, check out the online samples and documentation. You can also reference the ComponentOne controls in your existing MVC applications through NuGet or assembly references. You will find the full instructions in the documentation. Each control has dedicated documentation that includes how-to topics, tutorials, and the full API reference. To see all the controls in action, you can view the online demos. The best place to start is with the Learn MVC application. This demonstrates main features of the ComponentOne MVC controls with the help of a series of samples. You can find it on grapecity.com under the ComponentOne ASP.NET MVC demos. The Core Explorer is another great way to see all of the controls that are included and what features are supported for each control. More samples can also be installed to your Documents directory through the C1 control panel. From there, you can launch the Samples Explorer to browse the samples, or just browse them in your File Explorer under your Documents ComponentOne Samples directory. If you have any questions or issues during the installation or trial of ComponentOne controls, our customer engagement team is ready to help. Learn more about everything ComponentOne has to offer. Continue with the ComponentOne Getting Started series.